Brickworks started working with Architectus on the project when they visited our design studio back in 2014. And over the years, we worked closely with Architectus and Inhabit Group, the facade engineers, to develop some special shapes and some interesting construction details for the project. Barrack Place is located within the heart of Sydney CBD in what was formerly a warehouse district. The design of the Barrack Place project had to remain sympathetic to the history of the area and also provide a modern addition to the city skyline and new ways for people to work and interact with our city.
We've been working with Brickworks over many years now, and particularly in the last decade, we've seen a bit of a renaissance in terms of the use of brickwork. The opportunities at Barrack Place were not only fitting in with the sort of historic fabric, but also to work with the idea of coachways and laneways. So Barrack Place plays an important part not only in knitting the fabric of this area together in terms of using brickwork, but also in connecting the city, so we've made these new laneways. The design of the building was very much about using brick with traditional references such as the corbelling and the squints, but then we've played with it in different ways. So while we've gone with a traditional look and feel, I guess there are contemporary moves in there as well. The top of the brick section of the building, we've used that to create outdoor workspaces, outdoor breakout spaces. We've extended the brick facade up to make these open, but in some sense enclosed by the brick facade.
Barrack Place contains 500,000 dry press bricks made at our Bowral bricks factory. In the design, there are 7 different brick types. The largest shape is the 230 by 230 by 76 millimetre brick. It's the largest brick we've ever made, along with bricks with a central rebate to allow them to be secured to the facade, L bricks and 45-degree squints to form angles around the picture windows in the building. The process in developing special shapes is highly collaborative. We work together with the architects on the project, often also the facade engineers, our technical teams in production at Brickworks, and our technical sales specialists to make sure that we're achieving the right outcome for the project.
So there has been quite a resurgence of masonry facades. What's unique about Barrack Place is the entry corbel and the light wells. In the light wells, there was quite a lot of work done on the secondary steel work to make sure that the structural differential movement was taken into consideration. In the mega corbel, that's quite unique in that it's a face veneered brickwork, and that all needs to be tied back to the primary structure behind that while still having adequate structural stability.
The large-scale use of brick on Barrack Place brings a warmth and a familiarity to the area. There's a renewed confidence as well in the use of brick in commercial architecture. The product is extremely durable, long-lasting, low maintenance, and with recent concerns due to combustibility of materials, brick is always an extremely safe choice. And architects are also finding new ways to use them in these projects by including special shapes to create unique architectural details that really give their project a special edge.
I think the beautiful thing about brick is that it really does still show the hand of man in the construction process. I think what is really exciting about working with Brickworks is that they are incredibly supportive of the design process and the design industry more generally. The idea of being able to develop new products like we did at Barrack Place with different brick sizes, or the way they bring in new products into the market which are really innovative, I think is fantastic.
Brickworks has over 100 years experience making products to suit a range of architects' needs. This project builds on that experience, creating a beautiful building that is sympathetic to the heritage of the area while creating something modern in the process.